Hi, today's class will discuss about the Spring JDBC module. Spring, how the Spring is support for the JDBC, and how the Spring will also support with the DAO. Okay. Now first we will talk about Spring with JDBC, then we will talk about Spring with the DAO module. Spring with JDBC. When we use JDBC directly, we need to handle SQL exceptions. When we use JDBC directly, we need to handle SQL exceptions since the JDBC driver report all error situations. By raising the SQL exception. Most of these exceptions are not possible to be recovered. So it is difficult to write error messages. So Spring with JDBC, we are going to use Spring applications integration with JDBC logic. JDBC template. The JDBC template is the basic element and is center class of the Spring JDBC abstraction framework. Which includes most common logic in using JDBC API to access data like handling the creation of connections, statement creation, statement execution, and release the resources. This also catches the JDBC exceptions and convert them into standard and more exploratory exceptions, defining org.springframework.dao package.
org.spring
Framework.dao package.
.dao package.
The JDBC template is a center class for Spring Framework. Is packed into org.springframework.jdbc.core. So the package is the Spring JDBC template is available in the original Spring Framework dot JDBC dot core. We'll see exactly what is there in the Spring Framework, Spring JDBC template. Please take this. Public class JDBC template extends JDBC accessor, implements JDBC operation, which is available in package org.springframework.
Chaitanya, I can't view your screenshot.
Yes, now you can see. So here we have three constructors: JDBC template with the data source, and JDBC template with data source and boolean. Okay, and also we can see there are some methods are there like execute result set, call method, batch update, apply statement settings, execute method, execute, get maximum row, get fetch size. I think, do you remember these methods we saw somewhere? Get the maximum results, get query timeout, and also this is very important method called as query method. And list of query method, query for list, query for long, query for map, query for object. There are many methods are there. Update method, we'll see which is important, how much we can do, that much we can cover it here.
Chaitanya, I can't hear you.
Yes. So here I'm going to create the database table. That's what I'm configuring now. This one. Hmm. I'm going to create a table. DEPT, which has DEPT number as a primary key, number to primary key, rename, make a 2 of 20, and location. Very, very important concept. Table is created. I'm going to create the project. So I'm going to add the dependencies from my form.xml file, old form.xml to current new form.xml file. There should be some dependency tag will be there, dependencies. Inside dependencies I should add it. Right click, run maven install, so that it will download all the necessary jar files related to we provided 2.5.6 version of the Spring and DBC 1.2.2. Now here I'm going to provide a Java classes. I'm going to provide a DAO, DEPT DAO. This interface. So here I would like to have some create the data DEPT. That means I should insert some data by using JDBC with Spring with JDBC into this table. DEPT number, the name, location. So I should have some methods. create DEPT by passing the DEPT object. So the return type will be int how many records, how many data, how many DEPT inserted. So currently DEPT is not there, so let me create the DEPT class here. Same package. Click on finish. We'll see that one later. This is the pose object. Now next one is remove DEPT number, void method. I want to change the locations. I want to change the get the DEPT details. This is my requirement. Change the location, create DEPT, remove DEPT, change DEPT, change location. I'm going to implement a class that implements DEPT DAO. The code I'm writing is completely real-time code, how they write real-time, except configurations. DEPT details or DEPT DAO IMPL which extends super which implements my interface, right? So let me this one, yeah, finish it up. And it implements what is in the class.
Yeah, yes, Chetan, yeah.
Yes. Now I am going to implement all the methods, or I have to make it as my class is the abstract class, right? Right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Now
Yes.
I am going to implement all the methods. Okay. Prior to this, I want to have a pose object and it contains the EPT number, I have to have a set and get methods. The DEPT number, DNAME, location, I am adding all the set and get methods here. Click on OK. Now No. DUPT DOMPL, I am going to have a constructor. This constructor, I want to make my JDBC template is a class, right? JDBC template is a class, right?
Yes, Chaitanya.
Yes. This JDBC template I want to pass either constructor argument or set method injection. So my preference is I want to pass construct injection. I'm creating an instance variable for the JDBC template object. Now this dot JDBC template equal to JD. Now this is done. So this configuration I should mention somewhere, right? What is that? What is the class? What is that file? This DOMPL has constructor argument of JDBC template. This relationship I should mention somewhere. What is that file? The file is called as beans.xml file. I am copying from the existing project. See here, src main Java, src main resources, all XML files, all resources files like this you should put into the resources folder in the main project. In src test Java, test related files you should put into the test folder. In the here, as I discussed it, I am going to have a DUPT DOMPL. This implements DUPT DAO into my beans.xml file. Let me copy data source where first of all we are getting the data source. Then we are going to have a JDBC template object. See here, what is there inside the JDBC template object constructors. JDBC template, inside the JDBC template we have a constructor called as data source. Inside this constructor we are passing the data source object, right? So in the XML configuration I should provide JDBC template. We should declare about JDBC template first. Inside this we should pass it as a constructor argument of data source. So let me get JDBC template. So what is the class package name JDBC template package? What is the package name JDBC template package?
JDBC operations. JDBC operations.
Operations.
org.springframework.jdbc.core.
Yes. Which operations? Hospital. No, ma'am. No operations here. Only subsidiaries. org.springframework.jdbc.core. There is a class called as JDBC template. That's I'm going to declare here. That's it. So as I discussed already, JDBC template class has one of the constructor argument parameter. So constructor argument how to load? By using constructor argument tag. ref local ref local equal to data source, because data source is as part of constructor tag constructor in the JDBC template object. If you see here, data source is a part of constructor, so that's the reason I pass a data source separately into the JDBC template object. How we pass the DEPDO as a data source, right? Same thing here. Now, DEPDO. Where is the class file is located? com.ch.sp. JDBC dot DAO IMPL. So inside this DEPDO IMPL, I want to, at a time I want to create object and it will be available for application. Then I should go for scope equal to what?
Prototype.
Singleton. So this DEPDO IMPL, I have a constructor again here. In this constructor, what is there, Suguna?
JDBC template. JT.
So here, can you give me the configuration, Pavani? DEPDO class contains constructor injection or settlement injection. Here, constructor, right? So how to
Yes.
call constructor injection?
Constructor injection. Yesterday's class.
By calling in the XML file constructor hyphen arg.
No, my question
reference local
to
equal
Pavani,
to
not Suguna. Question to Pavani, not Suguna.
Constructor hyphen arc. Reference.
Constructor, okay.
Reference.
What is the meaning of reference?
We are trying to refer the object here.
Okay.
I mean, we are trying to specify.
Now tell me, what I have to use here? JDBC template, right? This JDBC template object I have to pass it because we are getting this JDBC template as a constructor argument in the DEPDO.
Yes.
Even though this JDBC template is a already one class is available in the org.springframework.jdbc.code.jdbc template. In this class, internally there is a constructor called as, there are many constructors, 3 constructors are available. One of the constructor contains data source as a constructor. The data source again I created a separate bin object of type org.apache.commas.dbcp.basic data source. This is the class which is available into the DBCP package. DBCP is a software actually. Okay, we'll talk about later. So now configuration is done so far, right? Go to DEPDO MPL. Now start implementing the create DEPT, change, remove DEPT, change location, change DEPT details. First of all, I want to change the location. Can you help someone help me to insert the data in the database? First some dummy data so that we can change the location.
Insert into table.
Okay. DEPT number is 01.
One.
D name is
Science.
sorry.
Science department.
Science. Don't talk about colleges in the real-time scenarios.
Okay. HR.
Excellent. This is called real-time scenario. Location,
What is first floor?
personal loan.
First floor.
Location, first floor. Don't want to waste time in that. Just mention as USA.
Okay.
Column not allowed here. What is this? Should write like this, right?
Yeah, quotes.
You guys are not doing the SQL. Don't try to blame me after finishing the course. I cannot help you out. And don't try to blame yourself also. Correct. I am going to do first the change location. JDBC template dot. See, Spring JDBC is the one of the very good concept which I like in my Java. Just one method is there, update method. Update method. Can someone tell me update query?
Update table. Set. Update department. DPT. Set value.
Set location I want, right? So I'm going to make only location for where DEPT number equal to this one. DEPT number. There are so many methods are there for updating the data. I want to use last type. Sorry, I want to use first one, third one, second one, third one. New object are as per the records we have to pass it as per the method declaration. So from there you need to pass the location object, this location, comma, integer number is D number, right? New integer, this is the object array I am passing into the update location. Sorry. No integer of D number, that's it. Simple, just one line is like hello world. So automatically it will update the data into the database for the given D number. Now I would like to have a main method. The main method don't want to waste time on the writing the main method and everything, all basic logic where we can load the this one. No. Okay, let me write. No issue. Something new I am writing here. Please follow. Bean factory equal to null. Factory equal to let me write in a constructor. New XML bean factory. What is XML bean factory will do? I am going to get the bean object for the DEP to DO. The return type will be DEP to DO. DO equal to typecast. Now we have a DO object is available and factory object available when we have a constructor. What will happen if we won't provide a constructor? Now, based on the constructor, I am going to create object here. DO test dot. I would like to write separate method to test DO and PL methods. Change location. Test change location. Inside this method, I want to create I want to call DO object dot change location. Inside this, I want to pass what is the location number, the DPT number 01, right? So here instead of USA, I want to give it to India. Okay. Now this method I am calling from the main method. Just change location. That's it. If I run the application, automatically the data will be changed. Now verify the data. What are the data is available as part of my DEPT data, DEPT table. 1 HRA USA, right? Now I'm running the application. File not found exception. Okay. Last time also we faced the same issues, right? What was the fix for that?
Chaitanya, we removed cache and we restarted
No,
the
that is for
database.
servlet applications.
I think we
Good. Parsing XML document, nested exception is file not found exception. The system cannot find the file specified. Quote is usually expected associated with element ID. Parsing exception. XML document file class path resource bin.xml is invalid. Next exception is sax parse action. Open quote is expected for attribute 1 associated with element type ID. So where is the beans XML file? Okay, this is missing. Now right click and run the application. java.lang.nullPointerException. Main method 20. Why? Since DO dot we're not using context, right? That is the issue. Now run the application. Can someone tell me why null.exception is coming? Someone tell me quickly. Tell me why null.exception is coming.
Null pointer exception, it is pointing into the table where the row does not exist, Chaitanya. I think so.
Confirm. I don't want thinking. Take your time and explain me. Well, I'll show you the error also.
Theory of test department. Test. Sorry, that. Line number 20.
Quickly answer. Error itself, it is clearly saying that line number 20, right?
Yes, Chaitanya.
So we are loading the DO tester, right?
Mm-hmm.
We are loading the constructor itself, it is throwing exception. So again, it is pointed to line number 16. So factory dot get the bean of DEP to DO, but where is factory?
Oh.
Factory just a variable, right? There is nothing assigned for factory, right? Previously I done something related to factory. Now you should use context here.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Previously by using factory I get the XML application context file system resource and get the inside XML file. It was not working fine. So I just changed it to application context or within application. Class not found exception. Build path, configure build path, oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver is missing. Run the application. Department location is changed. Now verify the data in the database. Refresh it. India. Is it clear? In the text change in location method, I am calling the DO dot change location. Then DO number is 01, D number is 01, location is India. Then I'm just updating query. That's it. This one I am passing with object array. So update method will take care of everything. Now, how to create the DEPT object? There is a interface called as prepared statement creator. There is a interface called as prepared statement creator. Please write down. public interface prepare statement creator. It has only one method called as create prepare statement. Please write in this one also. The traditional logic understand Pavani, Suguna? Unless you won't practice, you cannot understand even online also coding. Is anybody in the class? Have written this one? Create preparation method.
Yes, Chaitanya.
I'm going to create a separate class which will do insertion statement here. So I'm going to create my DEPT prepare statement creator or DEPT prepare statement creator. DEPT prepare statement creator, click on finish, which implements prepare statement.
Prepare statement creator.
Excellent. Very important concept. How we do prepare statement, right? In our JDBC examples, Pavani, Suguna, same thing. They have provided separate class. That's it. Nothing else. Add one implemented method. So there is a method called as create prepare statement creator, which we already discussed. It has written type is prepare statement. That's it. Normal prepare statement. I see. SQL prepare statement. Now here, I'm going to create connection object. From the connection object, here already getting the parameters connection. From the connection, prepare statement. Inside this, I should pass some query. How to use prepare statement in Java? Huh? How to use insert statement? Hello.
Insert into table, values,
Okay.
column names.
This one
Department
I'm
number.
going to use it like this. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it fine, right?
Yes,
Don't
Chaitanya.
think I'm copying and pasting the code. Don't want to waste time on that. I'm passing 3 placeholders. This is the way you use a prepare statement, right? Right or no? Prepare statement example, if you practice, then only you will understand. Now, connection return type is prepare statement. Normal prepare statement. Now, if we have prepare statement, how to set the values for the query? Set int first index. I want to have a constructor here. Inside the constructor, I want to load the DEPT object. Basically, I don't like pin drop silent. You should ask why you are writing this one. If you know, no need to ask. You know or not? Not know. Now, in the create method, I am going to write create DEPT method. I am going to access DEPT prepare statement creator equal to no, creator equal to new prepare statement creator of D. So I am passing this D data. Which data? This D I am passing here. Now prepare statement creator dot create prepare statement. No. Not required. JDBC template dot update method. See, if you see here, there are some update method with parameter prepare statement creator, right? Right. Confirm, please. Yes.
Yes.
Click on this.
Yes.
Pass the prepare statement creator object. That's it. We're done. I want to make it as very small. Let's close it. No. Okay. Now, in DEPT DAO test class, I should have separate method create DEPT. So here I'm going to use DAO dot create DEPT. I should pass on the DEPT object. So let me create a DEPT object. DEPT dot Pavani, tell me your good name. Set D name, D number. What is your lucky number?
10.
Okay. What is your good name?
Me?
Hmm.
Finance.
Your good name?
That's department name, right? So finance.
D name.
Department name.
Okay. DEPT dot set location. Where is your location?
Boston.
Can you spell it?
Boston. Boston. Oh.
Clear? I am passing this DEPT data. Now explain the code flow quickly. Pavani, go ahead. Go ahead, Pavani. Once you run the application, what will happen? Here DAO test dot test create DEPT. Change location. I'm commenting the code. Now if you run the application, DAO dot test DEPT will create up. It will call this method. Then I'm creating the normal plain DEPT object, which contains DEPT number is 10 finance Boston, and DEPT I'm passing into the create DEPT method, which is available in DAO-IMPL. Right, control and press right, automatically it will open like these two options will come. Control, press control key button, control button keyword, and open implementation. Now, here control came to the line number 13, line number 12. Here I am going to create my DEPT prepare statement created which implements prepare statement creator. While implementing, we have only one method called as create prepare statement creator, which has connection object. Connection not prepare statement creator. This is normal execute normal code, your JDBC code. Returning the prepare statement object. This method is returning prepare statement object, so I am returning it here. As we are passing the DEPT DAO, this DEPT contains, if you see here in DEPT DAO-MPL, yeah, I'm passing this DEPT contains all the Boston finance and row number is 10. So same data I'm passing into the create object. So this is 10, this is finance, this is Boston. Now it will execute the data and will return the prepare statement object. So the prepare statement object, create object, I'm passing the update method. So update method will take care of other things. That's it. Very easily I am telling. Please try to understand. Now run the application. Department is created. Verify the data. It is created, right? Created, right? Response. You should claps.
Yes.
Okay. So there are different methods are there. We can implement. In JDBC template. Everything we are going to use JDBC template. And there is a method called as remove method. Okay, how will remove the object? I am just calling the method JDBC template dot. There is no method related to remove. Just I am passing SQL query here. So someone tell me delete statement. I'm passing department number as a 10. Just now inserted, right? I'm just want to remove it. Okay. Now run the application. Any queue constraint system model violated. Okay. You should comment this code. We're trying to use same username, same 01. So should same 10 number department. No. Department is removed. Just refresh the database. Department is there or not? Department is not there, right? It's removed, right? Please.
Yes, okay.